Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing and automation platform. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of how to use the platform, including creating your first email campaign. So, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I will go ahead and jump right into the Klaviyo tutorial. First, if you are new to the platform, you will need to sign up. You will find the link down below in the description. So, go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct sign up page. First, click on the Sign Up button. Once you click on the Sign Up button, you will be prompted to enter your email, password, company name, company website, and phone number. After entering this information, click on Create an Account to proceed. If you want to connect your business platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. with your Klaviyo account, select your business platform from the options provided. Next, you will need to personalize your account by selecting the number of contacts you have. After that, enter the physical address of your business, including your company address, city, country, and zip code, then click on Continue to proceed. The next step is to choose the sender name and email address for your email campaigns. Once you've chosen these details, click on Continue. Finally, confirm your email address. After you confirm your email, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can start creating and managing your email campaigns. The Klaviyo dashboard is the main hub for managing your email and SMS marketing campaigns. It has a left navigation panel that contains 9 sections, including Home, Campaigns, Flows, Sign-up Forms, Audience, Content, Analytics, Conversations, and Profile. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in Klaviyo, and then I'll show you how we can use Klaviyo. The Home tab provides an overview of your marketing performance, including total conversations, recent campaigns, and top-performing flows. At the top of the Home panel, you have the option to choose a conversion metric and adjust the time frame from which data pulls. The conversion metric and time frame that you choose will update for all cards on your dashboard. The conversion metric performance card shows your total conversion rates and the conversion by specific channels, such as email or SMS. You can also see how your messages were sent, whether through a flow or campaign. On the left side of the conversion metric card, you'll find the total conversions number, which reflects the total amount of revenue or conversions generated by your brand in the particular period, whether from Klaviyo or other non-Klaviyo marketing channels. On the right side, you'll see the attributed conversions number, which represents the total revenue or conversions attributed specifically to Klaviyo for the selected period. Apart from this, the Home panel also displays your top-performing flows in the last 30 days and your recent campaigns in the last 30 days. By using the Home tab, you can quickly get an overview of your marketing performance and identify areas that need improvement. In the Campaigns panel, you will see all of the campaigns you created, including email and SMS campaigns. You can search for a specific campaign in the search box or use a filter to find your campaign. In Klaviyo, flow is a series of automated actions that happen when someone does something specific. These actions can include sending emails or text messages. For example, if someone signs up for your email list, you can create a flow that automatically sends them a welcome email. Or if someone adds something to their cart on your website but doesn't complete the purchase, you can create a flow that sends them a reminder email to encourage them to finish their purchase. Flows are triggered by specific actions and can help you automate your marketing efforts and create a more personalized experience for your audience. In the Flow tab, you can create and manage automated workflows, also known as flows. When you visit the Flows tab and don't have any flows created yet, you will be prompted to choose from pre-built flows available in the Flow library. If you have an e-commerce integration installed, you will have access to more options tailored to e-commerce businesses. Once you have created flows, you can view a list of them in the Flows tab. Here you can manage your flows by editing, duplicating, or deleting them. You can also view the metrics for each flow, such as open and click-through rates, and set triggers and conditions that determine when the flow should be activated. The Flow tab is a powerful tool that helps you automate your marketing efforts and create a more personalized experience for your audience. The Sign Up Forms tab helps you to create sign-up forms. You can use pre-made templates or design your own form with different styles, questions, and fields to collect information. Sign-up forms are like questionnaires that businesses can put on their website to collect information, like email addresses or phone numbers from people who visit the site. This information can be used for marketing purposes, like sending newsletters or promotions. Before creating a form, businesses should think about what they want to achieve, like getting more people interested in their product or making their customers feel more involved. In Klaviyo, the audience refers to the people to whom a business sends marketing emails or SMS messages. The Audience tab in Klaviyo includes two parts: lists and segments and profiles. Lists are made up of people who signed up to receive marketing messages, while segments are based on specific conditions like past purchases or website activity. Profiles are the dedicated section where businesses can view and manage the information of each individual contact or customer. These profiles store details like their email address, phone number, location, and past behavior, such as purchases or email engagement. Klaviyo maintains a complete record of each person's information and only keeps one profile for each contact, even if they're a part of multiple lists. The Content tab in Klaviyo contains three sections: templates, products, and image and brand. In templates, businesses can find pre-designed email newsletter templates that they can use for their email campaigns. In products, businesses can set up an integration to use product feeds and product blocks in their emails, which can be especially useful for e-commerce businesses. Finally, in image and brand, businesses can upload images, logos, and fonts to create a consistent brand image in their email campaigns. By using the Content Lab, businesses can easily create visually appealing and on-brand email campaigns to better engage with their audience. The Analytics tab in Klaviyo is where businesses can access data and insights about their marketing performance. This tab contains different sections. The dashboard provides an overview of key metrics such as open rates and revenue generated from email campaigns. The metrics section offers more detailed information on email performance, such as engagement rates and revenue generated by specific campaigns. The benchmark section compares a business's performance to industry standards. Custom Reports allows businesses to create their own reports based on specific metrics or timeframes. By analyzing this data, businesses can better understand their audience and make data-driven decisions to improve their marketing strategy. The Conversation tab in Klaviyo is a tool for businesses to engage with customers through text message marketing. This feature allows businesses to have one-on-one conversations with customers who may not respond to email marketing. By inviting customers to ask questions and providing personalized support, businesses can create revenue and improve customer satisfaction. The SMS Conversations tool within the Conversation tab is designed to improve customer engagement and ultimately drive more sales. The Profile tab helps you manage your personal and account information. This tab includes different sections such as What's New, where you can find updates and news about Klaviyo, Billing, where you can manage your subscription and payment details, Integrations, where you can set up integrations with other tools and platforms, and Settings, where you can customize your account settings such as notification preferences, API keys, and more. Now, to create a new email campaign in Klaviyo, you will first need to navigate to the Campaigns tab. Once there, click on the Create Campaign button. Enter the name and date and choose Email, then click the Save and Continue button. This will bring you to a three-step process for creating an email campaign: Recipients, Content, and Review. The Recipients section covers the basic settings of your campaign, who you sent to, and details about how you send. Here you will need to choose the campaign name and add a tag to your campaign if you would like. Next, you will need to choose an existing list or segment to target. For example, you may want to send a campaign to your main list except for those who are subscribed to SMS. Or you may want to send a campaign to a list with all the customers that have made 2 or more purchases. If you want to send to multiple lists or segments, select which ones you would like to include or exclude. It is important to note that you can only send a single campaign to a maximum of 15 segments/lists. You can also enable or disable Smart Sending and Google Analytics tracking. Once you have completed the Recipients section, click on Continue to Content to proceed to the next section of the email campaign creation process. The second section is where you will need to enter the subject line and preview text of the email. Additionally, you will need to include the sender's name and email address to ensure your audience knows who the email is coming from. Next, you will need to select how you would like to create your campaign content. You have 3 options: drag and drop, text only, or HTML. The drag and drop editor is a popular choice as it automatically optimizes your email for mobile and makes it easy to create complex email layouts. And this is where you build your email template. This section is crucial as it sets the tone and style of your email, which can make a significant impact on the effectiveness of your campaign. Finally, use the drag and drop editor to make changes to your design and ensure that it meets your expectations. Then click on Save and Exit. Once you have designed your email and are satisfied with the look and feel, you can then click on Continue to Review to move on to the final stage of creating your email campaign. The third and final section of creating an email campaign in Klaviyo allows you to review, schedule, and send your campaign. Before sending your email, make sure to review all sections and ensure that everything is set up correctly. Once you are satisfied with your campaign, you can either schedule or send it immediately. To schedule or send your campaign, select when you would like to send it. You can choose to send it immediately or at a later date and time. If you select a specific time, your campaign will be queued and sent within a few minutes after the time you sent. And that's it. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. And thank you for watching my tutorial on how to use Klaviyo. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.